One, two, three. Okay, I record. Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are new, subscribe. I upload Blender tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create some kind of sky in Blender procedular. I'm gonna show you the results with stars. Okay, so I am in Blender, as you can see. I'm gonna click right here on the shading, change the window, as you can see, and I'm gonna just click right here to the render view. Yes, boom. And I'm gonna switch right here from the object to the world settings, okay? Because we're gonna basically create the world lighting settings. Of course, you can use HDR if you know what I'm talking about. If you are a beginner, maybe, I don't know, you're gonna learn something or not. I don't know. So we're gonna search for the nodes, Shift-A, and search for the noise texture right here. And Shift-A, you can search for the color ramp. And of course you can add more to this, so you can add of course mapping and textures coordinates. So maybe I'm gonna show you, maybe you are a beginner. So Shift-A, textures coordinate, of course, the textures, wait guys, coordinate, okay, right here, textures coordinate, and Shift-A mapping, of course, yes, simple shit. Okay, and you can connect right here from the mapping to the from textures coordinate to mapping from the first one to the second one. I'm gonna maybe zoom in, show you the results. And you must connect, of course, noise texture to the mapping, yes, to the vector, and Shift D to duplicate this noise texture, and Shift D to duplicate this color ramp. So first, maybe we're gonna create a stars, okay? So basically, just connect noise texture from the factor to the color ramp, and color ramp connect to the color right here to the background, and we have this fucking effect because this is noise texture, yes? We must scale, basically very big scale, something like 200 or whatever. As you can see, 202. And basically you just cut in right here the blacks, the whites, I'm sorry, using the black color. As you can see, I'm just cutting these results and I have basically stars, yes? As you can see. And if you want to change the color, just click right here to the white, right here, this dot, and select, and you can choose basically whatever color of the stars you want, yes? So we're gonna need Shift-A, of course, mix RGB, because we're gonna mix those two noise together. You can build more to this because this is very basic setup. So connect noise texture right here from the factor to the another color ramp, and color ramp, of course, to the color right here to the mix RGB, and you can connect those stars to the second color, yes? And you can connect this right here to this background, yes, that you have. And basically we must do the same thing, but we're gonna create something like clouds, okay, in our sky. So you must adjust right here the blacks. You can cut a little bit. So I'm gonna play around and show you. You basically just add more roughness and a little bit more detail to this. I'm gonna play around on the settings. So give me a couple of hours basically, yeah. Wait guys. As you can see, I created something like clouds, but this doesn't look great. I must adjust more maybe the detail. And I must adjust basically the scale. And you can cut right here the whites, of course, as you can see, to have this kind of sky effect. And if you want to change the color of the clouds, just select right here this white dot again, and you can change this to blue or whatever, yes? And you can play around more to this noise texture. And like I said, you can basically build more to this, because this is basic setup, yes? To create this kind of stupid shit. So if I'm gonna just, you know, rotate this, I have this fucking stupid effect, yes? This looks bad, but the color of the cloud is bad. But basically, I hope you get the idea, yes, how this works. So you can adjust more roughness to the clouds, but don't, you know, play around much. I think 0.7 is pretty good. The detail, don't crop much the detail, or maybe, and the scale, of course, yes. Don't crop this very much, because you're gonna have, like you see, very noisy shit. This doesn't look like clouds. So something like, I don't know, 0.5, 3. This looks kind of cool, yes, 4, whatever. So play around on this shit. I hope you get the idea, guys, how this works. This is very basic setup, and you can create some kind of procedural sky and night, and you can build more to this. Maybe I'm gonna do more in another tutorials, yes, how to build maybe procedural sun, because you can create this and whatever. Thank you for watching. I need content, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.